Hello, so today I got my Soul Performance downpipe, Catless downpipe today. So we're going to be unboxing it for you guys. I haven't opened it yet, so this is like as is how they shipped it. So let's check it out.
Yep, there we go. Oh, what do you got?
Yeah, no, what's this?
Okay, no.
Oh, some brackets.
Yeah.
I guess that's all the hardware they were talking about. What you need.
But you
yeah,
can't get it.
You can.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's cool. Sweet.
Look at that.
I don't really know what piece is which, but I'm sure I'll find out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Look at the welds on there.
Look at that. Dude, that's beautiful.
Yeah, let's see.
That looks real good.
It's pretty wide.
Yeah, it is. It's big. Big too.
Bigger is always better.
Alright.
Oh, there's
That's
something
got some
there.
weight to it.
Oh, yeah. So here's the test pipe. Here's where would usually be the cat.
Okay.
That's where the O2 goes in. So, oh yeah, look at
yeah.
that. That's sweet.
Oh, yeah.
No cats.
Alright.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. The logo looks good. I don't know how long it'll look good for when it gets all hot, but
Yeah, it looks great.
that's cool.
I think it'll stay good. I think it will. I
Yeah.
think it stays good.
Yeah, I hope so. This feels like something here.
Oh, yeah. That's a major piece.
This package really good.
It is packaged nice. Oh,
This is sweet.
oh, yeah.
Packaged it right, that's for sure. Little logo right here.
Yeah, that's awesome. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
That looks good.
Got these brackets.
Look at
Look at that flange.
mount,
Yeah, that flange is pretty sharp. Looks good. Yeah.
Oh.
And then up here, let's check that out. Yeah.
I guess here's where it splits.
All right.
Yep. This, and this.
All right.
This is how I believe it's going to lay out. I think I paid $2,200 with shipping.
Right.
Let me double check. Let me get the exact number. So I purchased this on March 7th, and it was exactly $2,140.05 with taxes and shipping.
That's
Shipped
not
straight to
bad.
me.
Yeah, that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that is without the O2 spacers. So that's without gaskets and the O2 spacers. The O2 spacer, which I got directly from Soul, was another $78 with shipping. And
Yeah.
then the gaskets were another $50. Right around $50.
Right.
Just OEM Porsche. I got 2 for these right here, and then 1 right there.
Right.
So 3 gaskets is about $50. We're gonna open the bag to see what's in here. We know these 2 in the hardware here. See how in-depth these instructions get. I mean, I figure it doesn't need too much of an install guide. It's pretty simple. Yeah. So
That's helpful though.
Easy.
It shows you.
Soul sticker.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever seen the ones with the ghosts? I like their ghost ones, but these are cool too. What do we got? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Good. Sales brochure.
Pretty cool. And then we get a little, and just a little rag. So That's cool.
Oh, that is cool.
Little terry cloth.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, that's what you get in the bag.
All right. Where does the O2 sensor go? Which piece has that?
Right, this piece
Right
right
there.
here. So it'll probably face like that,
Right.
with the logo facing straight down.
Yep.
I think. I don't know. I'll have to get under and see, but it just goes right through a heat shield. Plugs in.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And tell my dad thank you for filming.
Right. Yeah.
So, yeah, this is what we got.
Huh. Super cool. I like the way you can see the logo on that right there. I bet you that's facing straight down.
I bet you it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They did a good job. This looks good. This is going to be a nice upgrade for your car.
So I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and at the time that I am making this video, the downpipe's already on the car. I can say it sounds great, but I'm currently editing the video and I'm wrapping this one up. I'll be coming out with the edited video of me installing the downpipe and then another video with the sound comparison. So the rest of this video is just a close-up of the downpipe. So if you're interested in a certain part, you know, you'll find it right here. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video where I'll be installing the downpipe. So if you enjoyed this, just like and subscribe. It helps other people find videos like this and it helps me out. If you want to connect with me on social media, I will have those linked in the description. I'll have my Instagram link there. So if you have any questions, you can either comment down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.